If you've been using Outlook for a while, and let's be honest, who hasn't, you should be quite familiar with the favorite section over on the top left side above your mailbox and folders. Well, Microsoft in New Outlook has made a couple of changes. Let me show you what they are and how to use them in today's videos. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here, sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. If you like to be told as new videos become available, then remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell below. Favorites is a section where it shows you particular folders that's across any of the mailboxes that you've got in your account, which means that you don't have to keep scrolling for them. So you can add as many as you want. To add a folder into your favorites list, all you need to do is to either right click or click the three dots to see the settings, and you'll see add to favorites. It's now added into that list above, and a single click now opens that particular folder up. If you realize that you don't need it anymore, we can again right click or click on the three dots, and you'll see the option remove from favorites. That's not new, that's been around for decades, to be honest. But what is new is that when you hover over favorites, we've always had the option to click on the arrow at the beginning of the word favorites, which just shrinks the list down, and then we can bring it back up again. But now when we hover over to the right of the word favorites, there are three dots, which as we know means options. So I can add favorite, I can unpin, but the new option is I can hide them. Let's talk about unpinning first. So if I unpin it, can you see that there is a line now missing between favorites and my mailbox? And as I scroll, what it means is that my favorites are at the top, but they're part of the main list, so they disappear, and I have to scroll all the way back up to see them again. Don't recommend that because the whole point is to make it easier to get through to different things. So I'm going to pin that back in. The brand new feature, or another new feature, is the fact that I can actually choose to hide favorites. And if I choose to hide it, you can see that that completely disappears from my list and my top mailbox simply moves up. Not sure why you'd want to do that. If you're somebody who's not using or doesn't want to use favorites at all, that can be useful. But if you do find it useful, like I do, then not sure why you'd want to do that, to be honest. Here's the fun bit. If you need to get it back, it's now been removed. So how do we get it back? The way that I've discovered is if I actually then choose to pin something, it comes back and I can double check it's still pinned and everything's fine. I hope that you found this video useful. Remember to give it a thumbs up to like it, and I will see you next time. If you've recently started using the new Outlook desktop application compared to Classic, then you're going to want to sign up and get access to my spreadsheet where I'm recording all of the differences that I'm finding as I go through what's been removed, what doesn't work, and what's been added. This is free. You simply need to sign up. You will be joining my mailing list and you'll get access to the latest version as I update things. The link is displayed below or in the description. Click on the options to expand the description depending on which application you're using.